All right, till now we saw what? Till now we saw dictionary from scratch. All right, and we saw what? We saw dictionary only in numbers, integers. Now let us do what? Now let us basically see different data type, dictionary in different data types. All right, let us see dictionary in different data types. All right, so let us take info. All right, info of a person name. Let us say Sherlock. Age 28. All right, address 21B Bakers Street. Occupation detective. All right, if we print info, so we'll find this name Sherlock, age 28, address 21B Baker Street, occupation detective. All right. If we want to add few more items, let's say we want to add nationality. England. We print, so as you can see, national mixed data, the age, string, and 28 is your integer. All right, so this is what it is. All right, getting my point?
Yeah.
All right, so this is what it is. Now you all will tell me which other uh, column there, item to add, or you can say key and value to add in this info. We have name, age, address, occupation, nationality. What else can we add?
Date of birth?
Okay. What date of birth? Okay. What else?
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
Education?
Okay. And what value should we write?
What education can a detective do?
Yeah, why I'm asking what value can we write? That's what I'm asking.
We can say some detective course.
Forensic science,
We can say
criminology.
graduation, post graduation, all right, like that.
Hmm.
All right. Need two more only.
Uh, what uh,
Yeah,
what
tell me.
is his monthly salary or whatever?
Correct. Good. Let's say 20,000 USD. Rich man.
Yeah.
Right.
What are his hobbies?
Okay. What hobbies will a detective have?
Reading books.
Correct. Okay. All right. So this is a good data set that we can have of an individual. All right. Name, age, address, occupation, nationality, DOB, education, salary. We can add multiple other, like if he's let's say we are preparing for a bank. Let's say we are preparing this till salary. We are preparing this for a bank data. All right. So what else can we write for a bank data? Let's say till this it is relevant. What else can we write?
Bank account number
Okay, and
and
apart from
what
that,
is the bank branch name
bank branch name. Okay, what else?
and I don't IFSC code kind of something.
Okay, okay, cool. Any other example, Isha?
For bank only.
Yeah, yeah.
PIN code.
Okay, we can also write like
That can be included in address.
he's having loan or not, any pending EMI or not. Right? We can also write like that. Huh? Loan, no. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So this is what it is. So we can prepare certain data. We can prepare what we can prepare certain data, and if we want to delete it, we can delete certain data. So as you can see, it will delete. Now we have a data for the bank. Now we can send this data, and the bank can using this and his educational background, his occupation, but if salary is good, so they can pitch for a loan. And this can be later on converted into a data frame, which we'll study further. We'll study that further in pandas. Alright, it can be converted into a data frame and it will be what it will be. Now the length of items 9. We have 9 different, we can say, data points or features: name, age, address, occupation, nationality, DOB, education, salary, loan. They are features, and these Sherlock 28, these values are what? Values are our data points. All right. Keys are the features, and values are our data points. Yeah. Keys are the features, and values are our data points. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Any doubts in this?
No, Utkarsh.
So dictionary is really good when it comes to mapping features with values, with data points. And that is why it helps in converting it into a data frame. Let me just show an example. We'll study when we study pandas. Uh, yeah, here you can see we have done what? We have creation of data frame. Here. Creation of data frame using a dictionary. Customer ID is the what? Key. 101, 102, 103. These are list. These are values stored in a list. Category, as you can see, feature. It has become a column over, and this is how a data frame looks like. All right, gaming, education, business, coding, media. So this is what it. Excuse me. Customer ID 10110 C with data points, row entries known as data points. Brand, Alienware, Dell, HP, MacBook, Asus. है ना? So this is what data points are. All right, row entries. Any doubts?
No, Utkarsh. No.
No.
Okay, great. So this is what dictionary is all about. All right, remember, as I said, lists are the most lengthy data structure. It took 3 sessions for us to complete. Dictionary got completed in 1.5 sessions. This is all we have in dictionary. We saw dot keys, dot values, dot items, dot get, how to basically access, return values using key in a dictionary using square brackets, how to update a value in a dictionary. Remember, there is no function, only a technique. How to remove elements in a dictionary. All right. So this is what it is. Pop item. A dot clear copy. All right, like this. Even we saw membership function test of a dictionary comprehension, even square without using the dicing part of the ring, using if, and then doing it from scratch. है ना? All right, so info name Sherlock, है ना? Using multiple data types. Page 28. So like this. Any doubts in dictionaries?
I have one doubt actually. Uh, any
Tell me.
difference between pop and pop item function for dictionary?
So dot pop is basically what? Dot pop, you can remove any element, any item in a dictionary just by entering the key.
Okay. Okay.
And
We need to
pop,
provide key pop item. It will remove last element of dictionary.
yeah, now it got updated. Earlier they used to mention remove randomly,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
but 99% of the time it used to remove only the last one. Per very rare it used to remove randomly.
Okay. Okay.
So this is what
And
it is.
uh,
So let me, yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
just one more thing. Like, let's say there are two dictionaries, or let's say 10 dictionaries are there. Now I need to club all those 10 into one single dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible? If so, any better efficient way we can do for that?
If you want to basically club 10 dictionaries into one,
Mm-hmm.
you can use that using a data frame. I just showed you a data frame where two
Oh,
dictionaries are clubbed into one, है ना? And then
yeah,
created rows and columns.
yeah,
अब
yeah,
अभी मैंने दिखाया तो था आपको अभी 2 मिनट पहले,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
है ना? हाँ. So there you can do data frame. Then you will need a data frame. So basically, such point does not arise. All right. That kind of a point does not arise. Why it does not arise? Because uh, because we get data in a CSV format. We
Okay.
get data in a CSV format and we basically read it in pandas data frame. Such point does not arise.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. So this is what it is. Just give me 1 minute. Let me share this. Just give me 1 minute. The previous two files. All right. All right. So let us continue. So shall we move ahead further?
Yeah, we can move ahead, but it looks like she got dropped out.
Uh, where Isha got dropped off.
Yeah, maybe. I think network issue, maybe.
Okay, she'll join back. Just wait for 1 minute. All right.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
If she doesn't join, then we'll start.
Okay.
So you're currently staying in Vijayawada.
Yeah, nearby Vijayawada.
Okay, okay. So
So
you're
I'll
working
come
from
back.
home.
Yeah, working from home. I'll come back
Great.
in May last week.
Okay. Why offices are opening up?
Actually, no one is going to office in our project.
Uh,
Everyone is working from home, and
the-
they are planning to make that hybrid mode
okay,
mandatory from next month probably.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Till
everyone is
now,
doing that now.
yeah, till now, um, till now they said they will call, but in our project they did not call us.
Hmm. Yeah, but now they are calling because COVID,
Yeah, yeah,
WHO has declared that COVID is no longer a global emergency.
yeah, yeah,
Treat it as a flu.
yeah.
Oh yeah, now in my office they have done what they have they have basically told us to not even show the vaccine certification also before
Oh,
entering to office. Yeah, they have removed that.
oh, okay, okay,
Yeah, looks like Isha has joined. Let us begin.
okay,
All right. So I've shared the two files. All right. So just give me 1 minute. Let me connect my laptop to charger.